Guys, I'm on the street again, and they say Nigerians are smart, but I'm going to find out how smart they are today. I love the last smart. Just give us, you have even said the answer. You need to be a Lagosian to understand what I'm saying. Let's find out what the street has to say. Ha! Okay, no problem. I have a question for you. A person from Nigeria is a Nigerian. A person from Ghana is a Ghanaian. What's a person from Somalia called?
Somalian.
I can see something is wrong with it.
It's an African Somalian.
What you want near me? Rearrange your face.
My baby set, oh face. My baby they smile, oh face.
Somalia. Somalia.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Somalian.
Somalian.
Are you sure?
Not 100% sure.
Did I say you're correct? You know, she's saying I'm missing person with that.
It's Somalian now. It's Somalian.
And what's the person from Somalia called?
This is Somalian. Is that what you want me to say?
I don't know. What's your final answer?
I don't know, man. I don't sabi. I don't know it.
I know, Somalia.
Oh baby, oh tell me what you say, what you say, what you say.
Okay, a person from Somalia, what's it called? Somalian, that's what I feel.
I beg. Handle make you begin carry your wahala, they go back to your office.
Somalian, no, Somalian.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, that is my final answer.
I'm very sure.
Yeah.
Right.
Shut up! I'm not here to joke with you, listen.
This is a correct timbiam. Game don't finish.
It's just that my brother does not know what he's doing.
Travel out.
It's about the Somalis, but I can't talk about it because I've never been to Somalia.
If the person no be call himself Somalian, he go call himself anything else, but I don't really know what I can say about that.
Delta 2, proceed to the station immediately. Area commander want to see you now.
Person will come from Kenya. If you look at the person very well, Kenya sabi run well. For in Olympics, go and watch that record. They can run very well. It is because they named them Kenya.
Hey!
Run Kenya, far distance running. And that is why they always won all over the world. So if they call you Somalian, it's either you be Somalian or you be Sombi.
This is when I talk, don't they enter my brain small.
You don't get choice now.
It's Somalian.
Oh baby, oh tell me what you say, what you say, what you say.
I think a Somalian goes or something. It just goes in my mouth now. Somalian.
Hey! Hallelujah! Praise the Lord! Oh!
A person from Somalia. Somali.
Somali.
Good. That's a brilliant answer so far. That's one of the most brilliant answers I've heard so far. Thank you very much. I simply love the answers I get on the streets. From funny to wacky to weird to crazy. A person from Somalia is not a Somalian. It's not a Somalite. It's not a Somalese. But it's a Somali. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like my video and make sure you subscribe.